Cancer Jubilarian Awards. This will consist of vouchers for RO Hoson medical consultation. The awardees must be present in the virtual meet. And if present, please type your name in the chat box. Here is a list of the 2025 Cancer Jubilarian awardees. If I miss somebody, please inform me. Rocky Francisco, 45th Cancer Jubilarian Awardee. The 35th Cancer Jubilarian awardees consist of Bernardita Vergara, Ana Juanillo, Rosario Largosa, and Mirna Dequina. Lualhati Bermudez, 20th Cancer Jubilarian Awardee. Abby Lucas, 15th Cancer Jubilarian Awardee. The 10th Cancer Jubilarian awardees are Nora Abara and Joanne Uy. And the 5th Cancer Jubilarian awardees consist of Rowena Caballero, Rowena Macpoc, Abigail Hernandez, Crispin Legaspi, and Mary Chris Nisesha.
Good day, my fellow Cancer Crusaders. May God give us more strength and patience. Stay strong. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I am Joanne Uy, 10 years breast cancer survivor. Thank you.
Hello, fellow Cancer Crusaders. At the outset, allow me to congratulate each and every one of us for the courage and endurance while we are suffering the pain with one of the painful and deadly diseases known to mankind. The pain is bearable and hope is unpalpable, yet we survive. This is Nora Ramos Cabara, 10 years breast cancer survivor. Together, let us fight cancer through the help and mercy of God. Always pray.
Blessed day to all. Merry Christmas. Happy 38 years to my fellow Cancer Crusaders. My name is Christine Legaspi. I am a stage 2 breast cancer for 5 years cancer survivor. To my fellow Crusaders, cancer isn't forever. Let your hope, positivity, and not your hurt shape our future. One day at a time, one step at a time, do what we can, do our best. Even on the most difficult times, we just have to continue to pray and also strengthen our faith and lift all our worries to God and He will do the rest. Keep going, keep smiling, and keep spreading positivity. You're not alone on this one. Remember that. And also, to Dr. Hoson, my sincerest thank you for guiding us and also for inspiring us and also for helping us move forward. Merry Christmas to everyone. Have a good holidays and see you.